The rumor mill is filling up with reports of Cybertruck sightings daily in a whole host of different locations. This comes after several years of patient waiting by Tesla enthusiasts who have filled a vast pre-order system for the Cybertruck, which is said to number almost 2 million pre-orders now. Bill Wright, who is said to be in the know, is reporting over on X that employee deliveries are limited, saying in his post that employee Cybertruck deliveries seem imminent. Word around the Speedboat Cafe is the company is soliciting interest of those to take early delivery, dual motor or tri-motor. There was an option to pre-order a rear-wheel drive Cybertruck, but Bill has made no mention of it here. Gregor Truck has posted this video of a Cybertruck wheeling around Giga Texas. The Cybertruck has also been spotted doing what appears to filming for a promo video on a glacier in Iceland. You can see a Cybertruck following along behind a Land Rover Discovery with its tailgate open, presumably holding a film crew. This footage was posted by Carlos Rouse on X, or Twitter as I still prefer calling it. Yet another indication that we're getting close to a delivery event for the Cybertruck. Joe Tegmeyer has posted numerous drone images and videos over the last few days from his Giga Texas drone, which show covered Cybertrucks appearing parked outside and the Cybertruck driving around on the factory roads. In this footage, you can see it do an impressively tight U-turn, no doubt helped by the rear-wheel steering, which has been seen in several previous videos. Tesla has built up a loyal fan base who are eager to support the company's new products. There's a lot of enthusiasm among Tesla fans to be part of the Cybertruck launch. Of course, this is aided because the Cybertruck has a radically different, futuristic, angular design that really stands out from regular pickup trucks. This unique look has captured a lot of attention. Lots of other footage is starting to appear daily from a variety of posters, with delivery trailers leaving in all directions carrying Cybertrucks, all more indications of Cybertrucks rolling off a production line in preparation for a delivery event. Elon Musk said a delivery even should happen before the end of Q3, and things seem to be happening, so we should be expecting news of the delivery event sometime in the next few weeks. In essence, the Cybertruck captures people's imagination with its radical design, impressive capabilities, buzzworthy features, reasonable price, and the cachet of the Tesla brand. The truck seems like an exciting new concept, which is why so many have put down pre-orders. There's been no news of pricing yet, so everyone on the pre-order list is filled with anticipation to discover what the final cost will be, and then they'll have the agonizing decision on whether or not to complete their long-awaited order and take delivery, or miss out on what seems to be the most anticipated vehicle release in automotive history. Exciting times for everyone, excited and anticipating the Cybertruck release.